Yeah, this system has had a big impact across the Southland. We've been on the northern extent and did have the EF1 tornado in Tompkinsville yesterday, but part of this system still moving through the area today.
And it's packing a punch. We're talking heavy amounts of rainfall, a lot of clouds of ground lightning, several reports of hail, even up to quarter size in a few spots. And now we've got a tornado warning.
Yeah, got a tornado warning back over around Murray, Kentucky. The good news so far, and this could change, the good news so far, the extension of that is a severe thunderstorm warning right now for part of Christian County.
Which is some really good news for us. However, that rotation still looking to be just south of Murray, closer into Midway. We're keeping a close eye on things. So here's an overall picture of what we've got. Maybe you woke up earlier because it was so loud, even to pea-sized hail or even that clouds of ground lightning. So very active setup for us. We had a few stronger storms that are now just off to our east. They've escaped the plateau, but here's that larger line that is off to our western extent. This is where we have had reports of that tornado warning indicated by radar to start off our day. So very messy when it comes to the time frame, obviously, because we are dealing with a morning commute that will be with us shortly. Right now, we've got that tornado warning for areas closer into Murray. A lot of cloud to ground lightning. It looks as if it will pass just south of Murray as it continues to move its way eastward at 55 miles per hour. Because of the forward speed, we already are dealing with a severe thunderstorm warning in place for areas just closer into the Hopkinsville area, as well as north of Murray, pushing down just off to the east. That's going to be with us for the next little bit, but because of that forward motion, the really quick speed, it's not going to last forever. But we've got multiple rounds that will be moving in. Tons of cloud to ground lightning. It is very electric and it is incredibly loud to start off our morning. Areas just off to our northern tier, you've had some showers that have been consistent over the past several hours. And because of that consistency, you're saturated. We are getting reports of some areas that are dealing with some of that standing water. That's why we are also seeing that flood advisory being moved in for areas just off to our northern tier. But you head your way just westward, Leland, and that's where that larger band is moving in. This is the first band. Then we head into the afternoon where that secondary band will move through. Lots riding on it. If we can get more rain to stay with us, to get the clouds to hang longer, that would help us out. But right now, we're really banking on the fact we've got 2 rounds of severe weather.
Yeah, and as we've talked about for the last couple of days, that this would come in a couple of different waves, and we've got wave number 2 moving through. Right now, parts of Christian County now under a severe thunderstorm warning. Here's our viewpoint now from the Hopkinsville area at rain and the lightning coming down at a pretty good clip there at the Criminal Justice Building, where it is currently 74 degrees there for us this morning. Right now, we'll show you what's happening with the overall setup for you for today. Rain chances there throughout the day. Now, there will be breaks, kind of like yesterday. There will be breaks in the rain and maybe even a little bit of sunlight. We don't really want the sunlight out there, but that could happen for part of the area. So again, not the all day nonstop rain, but the threat is going to be there through the day until we can get this front through here. So we're looking at the wind threat, but isolated tornadoes. And yesterday, classic example of a quick spin up tornado. That's the one that hit down in Tompkinsville with an EF1 rating that popped up very quickly and then did some damage there. So we are all under a risk for severe storms. That threat is greater, but every News Channel 5 county under a risk for severe weather. That means all of you need to stay weather aware. Anywhere there is the threat of a quick spin up tornado until this system is through here overnight tonight. So here is Exact Track bringing some of the morning rain. Now this version of Exact Track again has breaks in the rain action, so it won't be an all-day nonstop rain. Then the actual front will push its way across the area overnight tonight. With that, here we go with more rain, some heavy rain, and again, the possibility of a couple of quick spin-up tornadoes in association with this. There may be a leftover shower in the eastern counties early tomorrow morning, and then improving weather, but cooler for us tomorrow. Here now, your 7-day. We're at 78 today, and then for tomorrow, right around 70, 69 on Thursday, and then heading toward the weekend, still some rain chances there.
We are going to be dealing with some, especially as you go throughout Saturday night into Sunday, a chance for a few thunderstorms as well. But our big weather event currently taking place as we speak. We do have that Storm 5 weather alert for us today. Comes in two parts. The first one happening now, and then that second round will move in going into the afternoon hours.
All right, so we'll continue to watch this. A host of severe thunderstorm warnings in the eastern counties and in our western counties right now.
So make sure you've got multiple ways to get those alerts and have that plan in place.
All right, right now the time is 4:21.